do it. Good day, Los Santos. Your host, Chapo Brody, live from dirtiest, moodiest, most adrenaline-soaked playground in the city. 11 December, 7:30, we are taken to Cayo Perico, Iceland for the off-road ATV race. A race so wild, even your grandma's yoga class will be jealous. Forget roads, forget rules, all you need is skill, guts, and maybe a little luck, and an ATV. Head to the west point of Cayo Perico, rent your ATV, and get ready to ride like a legend. Or at least like someone who really needs that 500,000 first place prize. We have a prize pool, big money, big flex. First prize 500,000, enough to buy a small Iceland or at least a fancy yacht. And we have second place for 350,000. Nice, very nice. You can finally afford that gold plated helmet. And we have third place 150,000. Not bad, enough for a few luxury tacos. Participation price will be 20,000 for everyone because showing up in the style counts. We are here at Cayo Perico Island. No roads, no problem, just mud, sand, and glory. Sponsored by the legendary Uchiha clan. Speed, style, swag, and a little bit of don't crash into the volcano, brother. So, Los Santos, gear up, flex your helmets, polish your ITV, and let's see who is the real off-road royalty. Remember, you don't need a luck, just a style and maybe a jetpack. It's your host, Chapo, signing off with the luxus, loves, and stainless regards. Let me see who is winner, chicken dinner.
Yeah, winner, chicken dinner.
Yeah, one more.
By
Yeah.
the way, Miss, your
It's already.
ATV smells very good.
Mm. Ladies. Oh!
Bro.
Ladies and gentlemen, racers and reckless, legends of Cayo Perico, the results are in, and it's time to crown today's off-road kings. Let's do this countdown style. In third place, the rider who survived the sun, the mood, the chows. The third place goes to Alu Bolo. I'm right here, maybe? Yes, Alu Bolo, third place. And in second place, the rider who nearly stole the crown. Second place goes to Hydra Singh. Enjoy your 350,000 and maybe buy a gold-plated ATV battery or something. And finally, the first place, the undisputed off-road champion, the master of mood, the king of Cayo Perico. First place goes to who got me over here? Kriya Cox. Congratulations to all racers, and remember, on Cayo Perico, you don't drive the Iceland. The Iceland drives you with smoothly luxurious and stainless triggers. And before we wrap up the chows, the dust clouds, and the three ATVs still burning somewhere in the jungle, let's give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, the legendary cash-loaded speed abused Uchiha clan. Without them, the prize pool will be, well, maybe a sandwich and a pat on the back. But today, over $1 million on the line. That's the Uchiha lifestyle, baby. Thank you for keeping Los Santos fast, dangerous, and just the right amount of luxurious. Thanks for having me here.